Okay, this is video 4 in the triangulation video series, and you can see that when I got done developing the top half, this is what I ended up with. The red and the green lines are pretty much self-explanatory. They were the ones that we created here. The cyan colored lines are the ones that I actually manufactured, the imaginary lines that I used to find my endpoints. After I got done with that, I simply created a spline using the endpoints, and that's what I ended up with. So what you want to do is just pull that out, copy it, and you can just match properties here and just put it out to the side. Okay, and that's what the outline looks like. Now what we'll work on now is the bottom part of the object. Okay, and just to save a lot of time, I'm gonna just pull out the object. Okay. Alright, and now, like we did on the front, we have to do, I shouldn't say the front, the top view we'll have to do to the right side view. In other words, those points that I just erased, they need to be placed over here on the ellipse. Okay, so again, I'll use the divide command. I'm going to divide that object into 12 equal parts. Okay, and also I want to place that line back that delineated between the top and the bottom portions. Okay, I'm going to make that red again. Alright, and again, I'm just to save some time, I want to bring in some previous work that I've done. Save some time. Okay, now what I need to do is project from these points over to the front view of the object. Okay, so now that I've done that, I can connect these points here. Okay, alright, and you can see we have something very similar going on here. Now in this one, in the previous part, we started off with this line, okay, because I knew the true length of it from the front view. And this one I want to use it's actually the bottom part of the object, okay, because I know the true length of this line. And I'll simply just click on that, go to properties, and it's 2.8739. Okay, and in case you missed it in the last video, we're going to do the same thing again. Okay, I just want to find the true lengths of these lines. Okay, now this one, this one's a little odd in the fact that half of this circle correlates to this half ellipse. Okay, so what I want to do is just use my quadrant snap and draw a line here. And just to make this less confusing, I'll probably just trim off this excess here. Okay, and I want to make this a solid line again, and I'll just divide that into 12 equal parts. So again, you have to connect these lines, and this one actually looks very strange because you have a lot of lines crossing over one another. You have to be really careful on this one. Okay. It'll most likely keep you out of some trouble if you make your points correctly and then use the node snap. Okay. So what you want to do now is match these lines up, of course, like we've always done. Okay, now that we've done that, we can find the true length of these lines. Alright, so we'll just get to work on that, and let's see how we do this. And so what you need to do in this one is find the true length of these lines, just like we did in the top. Okay, and actually I'm going to go ahead and finish this video up and probably just transfer the measurements over to this view here. Okay, and so you'll just want to check back in video 5, and that concludes this video.